Commanders morning. Hey comrades. Yeah, it's very tough. Yazi Maqabane nokuhlala ngi-analyze ngibheke izinto mani ngizibheke ngoba ngiyacubungula phela mina. Yonke into eSouth Africa ifuna ukucutshungulwa before yenzeke. Baqabane yazi angiyiboni lento yokucelebrate. Zonke izinto always celebratewa i-ANC. Nathi sithathe the very same road of celebrating izinto ezimoshwe i-ANC kodwa thina sithi sifuna ukuza ngento different. Yini le yenza ukuthi sihambe celebrate i-21 March senze into eyenziwe amanye ama-political parties kodwa thina sithi siyalungisa, siza nga something new, celebrateane eSharpeville. Why singa create our own things zokuthi masiya eSharpeville thina siyoklina amathuna, siyokwenza something far different izinto ezenziwa amanye ama-political party. Eklineni kwethu ama-graves eSharpeville, that will show ukuthi ngempela umkhonto uza ngento different to other political parties. Ke siyobheka ukuthi izindlu zalaba victim abahlala kuzo izindlu ezilungisiwe, abantwana bakhona bayasebenza, ama-families aphila kanjani, izindlu abahlala kuzo zinjani. UMamkuba ilapha iminister beyilapha last week bengikhona, beku-interview omunye ugogo oyi-victim kulezi ndlu zaseSharpeville. Indlu yakhe athiwile ngaphakathi, indlu yakhe athi imoshekile ngaphakathi. Umkhonto wona wenzani ukuza na something new, ukubonisa ukuthi ngempela labantu abalapha kwi-leadership emkhontweni abantu aba-wrong, abantu definitely aba-wrong. People who can't come up with new initiatives, new plans, new program, ukubonisa abantu base-South Africa ukuthi ngempela umkhonto uze nga something different. Thina bekumele masiya laphana siye lapha sazi ukuthi lapha siyokwenza into entsha, njengoba ngisho ngichaza ukuthi kwakuyini ukuthi sisuke thina lapha siyoklina amathuna ama-victim, abantu abashona. Ke sibonise ukuthi sifuna ukuqala kuphi futhi sizoqedela kuphi. Celebrate ku-stadium esina 32 years celebrate ama-opposition, amanye ama-opposition parties. Siyokwenza the same thing yokuthi celebrate sihlale etradini siphuze utshwala. Yazi Maqabane, ake siyekeni lo mqondo esinawo, ake size ngomqondo ngempela ophusile omusha wokubonisa ushintsho. Yini ehlulayo thina ukuthi siye lapha siyolungisela abantu balapha nama-victim, sibalungisele izindlu, senze make sure ukuthi abantwana laba bakhona abanye babo ababhema inywawupe, ababhemise inywawupe i-government, sibazama ukuthi sibayise koma-rehab, sibheke ukuthi imindeni abantwana bangena iy'kolo bayasebenza na. Yini esingenzi na something different? Why sambe ey'nyathelweni zawo lama-opposition parties abangaboni anything wrong ngalama-families alabantwana, abangaboni anything wrong ngemizi esarufu ngo-asbestos after 32 years in democracy, but keep on going eSharpeville and celebrate? What are you guys celebrating there? On the very same stadium lese i-ANC as a ruling party ehluleka ukusikhulisa, ehluleka ukusirenovate, nathi we are going to be part of that nonsense. Amaqabane, mina ikhanda lami liyasebenza, mina umqondo wami uyasebenza. I'm sorry, I can't just support nonsense. I can't just support nonsense in my entire life. Ayikho i-celebration even June 16 akusinto esingayisupporta thina le, akusinto esingayicelebrate thina le. We need to come up with something new ebonisayo ukuthi ngempela lo June 16 masimcelebrate i-unemployment rate ingaka eSouth Africa, abantwana bebulawa ama-drugs eSouth Africa. What are we celebrating kahle kahle? Kuwo wonke lama-massacres aklenywa yiwo wonke lama-political parties, yini le celebrate-wayo engaka? Yini elungile eSouth Africa for us to celebrate? Amaqabana ake nithola abantu abane-vision manje, ake nithola abantu abane-vision, abantu abazo-lead i-country ngendlela e-right, abantu abazo-understand ukuthi kahle kahle sibuyaphi and sikuphi. What went wrong? People will go back to the drawing board to fix whatever the ANC destroyed in our country. Ayikho into ejabulisayo eSouth Africa esingenza ukuthi sithi siyayicelebrate. Ayikho. The freedom, it was lied. Everything, it was a lie. Senzani-ke thina siwumkhonto ukushintsha lezi zinto nokwenza izinto eziright ebantwini, ukubabonisa lento eyenza ukuthi namhlanje sibe elinye iqembu eliphikisayo. Siphikisa ini or sihamba exactly ey'nyathweleni zalabo bantu? Senza exactly lento esithi siyayiphikisa eyenziwa yilabo bantu? Hayi maqabana, ake nimeni kancane, ake nimeni kancane. Thina kusasa lapha makuthi kuyayiwa eSharpeville, mina benizocela nje ukuthi ama-comrades ukuthi kusasa aye lapha aphethe amaharabha, aphethe iy'peyiti, aphethe opende, baphethe usimende, baphethe inhlabathi nama-lentils, ukuyovuselela amathuna labantu abalapha. Siceleni iy'nhlanhla kubo going forward kwi-region yethu esidibeni. Keniyeke lento yokuthi ngathi anizazi ukuthi ningabantu noma ningabelungu. Izinto enizenzayo ngathi anizazi ukuthi nibuya, futhi ngathi anizazi ukuthi niyaphi. Ake senilaphana siphethe amaharafu, siphethe amapeki, siphethe ama-lentils, siphethe usamende, sihambe siyovuselena la amathuna lawa labantu esithi siyoba-celebrate. Yila kuyoqala khona ukubonisa ukuthi ngempela lento ayifani nale eyenziwa abanye abantu. Kodwa uma siya lapha siyo-celebrate njengabanye abantu, ayasikhohlweni. Mina ngeke ngibe yiphathi yaleyo. As a person ocabanga kahle emqondweni, I won't be part of that nonsense. Celebrate inhlupheko yabanye abantu, celebrate ukuthi abantu abanamizi, celebrate ukuthi iy'ngane zabo ezinye zibhema inyobhe namhlanje they are destroyed, but sithi siclaima i-freedom nabantu balwela i-country. Hayi, animeni kancane, I'm sorry, I won't be part of such nonsense.
It's a morning, Zinkokheli. Evening, I've been asking, it's I think it's 3 weeks yonke a month, ngibuza ukuthi kanti siyenza kanjani indaba yaseSharpeville. Abantu bebethula bathi tu, ngibuza ukuthi kanti indaba yaseSharpeville yenziwa kanjani, because I knew ukuthi bayiphethe imali bagijima nabo, abekho transparent, abakwazi ukutshela abantu ukuthi hayi imali nayo ikhona. Benifisa kwenzakaleni njengama-ground force? Yonke into efanele ukuthi sibonisane siyama-ground force ne-high command yethu. Ayikho into ethi high command yaso sonke isikhathi i-right. Sibila nje sibilisa ukuthi kudala imali bayiphethe, baya-arrange, ababuzanga ngabantu anything, bayazenzela. Mabesuka bathi ziboneleni ukuthi i-transport nizoyithola kanjani. It's not fair. Abantu abaphethe imali engu-60,000 plus bangenzi into ezi-constructive ngayo, bangakwazi ukushare nabantu. We've got people here abenza ama-catering ebebezokwazi ukwenza izinto less and cheaper. Enye imali kuye kulabantu, kunama-families, kuyokwenza izinto nabo, but bona bayazenzela kuba umkhonto. Hayi ukuthi sibilisa ukuthi hayi sesiyazi ukuthi baphethe imali or else yibo aba-organizile. We don't care ngokuthi ba-organizile. At whose expense? Bengazange bakhulume nama-ground force. Umkhonto awukho ngaphandle kwethu, nathi asikho ngaphandle komkhonto. Ubaba kube wayengazange alikhiphe legama lokuthi ngifuna ukuvula iphathi. Sonke ngaba sisadahazela nje sazulu, asazi ukuthi siyaphi. But ubaba wakhipha igama wathi ngizovula iphathi. Sonke sagijima, nabogogo babegijima bathi hayi siyahamba semkhontweni. Akube njalo, sihlonishwe. Izinto mazenzeke ngendlela e-right, kube yi-two-way traffic, hayi nje sekufakwa ama-post. Bawafake deliberately nge-last minute ukuthi singakwazi ukuthi siwa-contest silwe nabo. And asiphikisani nabo. They are doing a good thing for themselves, not for us. Because abantu abaningi abasebenzi, abantu abaningi abanamali, fanele bagade umzila ukuthi mhlambe khona kuyozongigibelisa kuzokwenzakalani, banesifiso sokuya bayobona lapho. So siyacela akekho umuntu esim-athekhayo, Siyafisa ukuthi mababe transparent. I know bakhona la egrupini noma bezibiza ngamanye amagama. They know very well ukuthi siyazi ukuthi bakhona, but they must change their attitude towards us. Siwumkhonto siphelele. Bebengeke babe la bekhona ngaphandle kwethu. Ba-appoint-iwe ngenxa yokuthi bathi okay bazokwazi ukwenza umsebenzi. But namhlanje abasenzi kahle, siyabonga.